Hey, I'm Megan with WTI, and when it comes to outdoor pots, I really want to make sure that I'm getting a quality pot that will last me for multiple seasons. And I have achieved that with these round 24-inch Veradek planters. These planters are very solid, heavy-duty plastic. They already come with the holes in the bottom for drainage. In my case, I used this for a water feature as well. So I was able to contact the manufacturer and they sent me plugs so that I could use water and not worry about it draining out. It is a sleek, smooth design, and this is not my first time purchasing planters by Veradek. I have another size and shape that I've owned for at least 2 to 3 seasons now, and they're still going strong. So if you're looking for a quality product for your outdoor plants, something that's going to last you multiple seasons, I definitely recommend these ones by Veradek, and that's my point of view.